So today I'm making harina for breakfast. This is a Puerto Rican method, but you'll find this food in other parts of the Caribbean with different names. Here are your ingredients. So you're going to put about equal parts milk and water. I'm kind of winging everything here. There's no real measurements. This is essentially a type of dessert, but I always eat it for breakfast. So I add a spoonful of butter, a pinch of salt, and a whole lot of sugar. Normally I put a heavy splash of vanilla, but I don't have any right now, so I just skip that step. Just mix everything together, and you're going to want to wait until the edges of the water start to foam up. And here's where it went downhill because I forgot that I was making a TikTok. You're going to want to pour the cornmeal in and stir at the same time or else you'll get lumps. This part is crucial. I basically keep pouring until it starts to feel thick, but I did it wrong because I was focused on the video. Taste it, add more sugar if you want. Normally I'd put some cinnamon on top, but my cabinet's very empty now because of this quarantine. So enjoy! So today I tried to make cold brew coffee. I'm starting by boiling water because I don't have any clean water. And these are the ingredients. I have dark roast coffee that's probably expired, 2 containers, and 1 smaller one for my simple syrup. Simple syrup is basically equal parts sugar and water, so that's what I'm doing here. We stir until the sugar is all dissolved, and then we're going to store it in the fridge. I'm not sure if boiling the water actually does anything, but once it's done, we're going to let it cool off, and then once it's cooled, we can add the coffee and leave it in the fridge overnight. By the next day, we can strain it with this ghetto strainer that I made, and then we can finally make our coffee. So I added creamer, simple syrup, and then my strained cold brew. It didn't really taste good. It was a bit watery, so then I tried just the coffee by itself, but the coffee by itself was fine. So then I just added simple syrup and drank it like that, and it tastes better. Oh my.